Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. So they have this rack of poinsettias, beautiful poinsettias and berries and pine cones, but they have this display outside. It's freezing out here. I just want to show you this real quick. So these pine cones, and they're the berries, and then the poinsettias are coming in the burgundy color and this beautiful white with some of them even have the silver center. Then you have these, and then you have these poinsettias, and then you have those burgundy ones. Aren't they gorgeous? Let me just back up so you have some more berries, and look at the gold and the silver ones down here. And these, like I said, are like the baby ones. They are so pretty. So I just want to show you. Look at the white ones back there. Very, very nice. So I wanted to show you these. Now let's go inside and see what they have. Look, they have a display up in the front here. Let me show you. So these are the stackable tins, and they're just slightly smaller than the ones they have over at the Dollar General. So those are the gingerbread, and here is the truck. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love them. You can do so much with them, and it makes storing things, space saving. So you have these over here. Then this is the first time I'm seeing these containers here. So you get a double pack of these. So this is the red one. There is the penguin, the Santa, and this is the snowman. So those are there. And then these are my favorite coffee cups. So these guys are going very quickly. They are so beautiful. They make awesome gifts. Then you have the regular double pack of the containers. Here's the reindeer, 'tis the season, and then the snowflakes. So now here are the coffee cups. So this one says cookies for Santa. That's neat. And this one says cookies. I never seen this before. Cookies for the snowman. That's new. And I'm absolutely loving that one. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. You gotta watch for these because some of the lettering is cut off, but that one back there looks okay. Okay, so baking spirits bright, cookies for Santa, and then cookies for the snowman. Isn't that nice? So that, guys, is new. And then these right here, so you have these coffee cups. There's the snowman, Santa. What is that, a snow bear? And then you have these here along the top. I love these. 'Tis the season. Naughty, nice, I tried. Express your elf. I think those are so nice. Don't get your tinsel in the tangle. So those are the only things that are new there. And then they have a slew of Christmas cards in the front of the store. Right out their peanut brittle, their truffles, the chocolate covered cherries, and I just want to show you their bags. So here I'm in a different location near my home, and they're more stocked with their paper bags and tissue and bows. I can't wait to show you. So the tissue is along the bottom here, and then these are the bags, and these are nice size. Very nice. Here are the smaller bags. And look at that one. I never saw that one. Okay, that one has a truck. All right, and then over here says cookie boxes. So now these are new to my Dollar Tree here, the cookie boxes. More tissue along the bottom, and these are the bags. Look at these. These are so nice. So we have the red ones, and the blue, it says Happy Holidays. And then we have that one that says Merry Christmas. Very nice. And I'm loving that plaid. So this green one says Merry Christmas. And look at that one. I love that one. So nice. Then you have the Santa. Like I said, the size of these bags are so nice. I would come here first before going anywhere else. So now here's the plaid. Have a wonderful, joyful holiday. Then you have this one. And look at that one back there. Santa's coming to town. That's so nice. So you have the smaller Christmas bags here, and those are 2 in a pack. So you have this one and that one, and then these have the penguins, and then those are like the wine bags. And this tissue paper down here has the snowman, the poinsettias, and happy holidays, happy Merry Christmas. So those are a good buy too. Let me scan these bags for you. Along the bottom down here you have boxes in different sizes, and look at this tissue paper. Isn't this so pretty? I'm loving that silver. And then they have this one right here. So the boxes are coming in different sizes. And then we get over here, and this is where they have the tags. So in this store they have these kind of tags. These are 60 count. These over here are 100 count. Okay, now these little ones here, these little tag ones here already have the little mini bows. Okay, and I don't know, you only get an 8 count of those. Then you have these are so cute. Then over here you have this adhesive gift tags, 52 count, and over here is the 104 count. I might have shown you that at a different location. And then you have these tags here, so they're 25, but look how pretty they are. Then here is 20. 16, so they have more variety here. Then this is the pack of the little mini bows, and look at all the wrapping paper. Okay, so here's some window clings. I like these. And you don't just have to use these for your windows. You can actually craft with these. Okay. Now over there you have a door cover. I'm pretty sure they have different ones. So this one is the one with Santa. Let me see if I can find, unless there's the snowman back there. Okay, so they have those. Then they have the doorknob hangers, and then they have 2 of the Santa stocking holders. And then these are the tinsel trees, and look at the bows. So we're gonna, along the top here you have the bells. So let me show you the bows. Look at those bows. They're absolutely beautiful. I like that plaid, and I'm loving these. They look like burlap. And these look like burlap, but in the red. Down here you have the tinsel ornaments. Along the top here you have the smaller boxes. Okay, so over here you have the felt snowman. And then you have some Christmas boxes. Let me show you these. Look how pretty that is. So this part here is 3D. And look, that one says Deck the Halls, and that has the poinsettia. Here is the penguin, the poinsettia, and then here is the penguin also, and here is the snowman, and here's the penguin. And this one has a nutcracker, and they have different shapes. Look at that, they have different shapes. Okay, so here you have some treat bags, and there's the penguin, and there's a snowman. You see him? Okay, you have these treat bags, so these are 6 count. Those are really nice, and there's a truck. Over here, these treat bags are really cute. Look at the shape. Looks like an hourglass. It says peace, joyful, cheer. And then these are also more cookie bags. I don't know, maybe I missed these. So these are candy canes, and the lights, and the poinsettias. So here's some treat bags, some more treat bags, and this is the over the chair cover. Some more tinsel trees there along the top, and there is your tinsel. You have the gift card tins. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There's the snowman. Then you have the truck. I love that one, North Pole Tree Farm. I like that. So here's the Santa. So these gift card holders are really nice. Then they have the tiny bags. So in the tiny bags, you get a 3-pack. Then you have the little mini stockings, and there's some more Christmas cards. And look at this bag. Isn't that cute? So we have the bags, we have the tape, plenty of tape, and then we have your gift bows. And then here along the wall you have the tinsel hat, the Christmas tree. You have the camper. Isn't that nice? I love that ho 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 Santa. And let it snow. And then you have the elf hat and the regular Santa hat. They even have the monogram stockings, and I'm loving the sequins stockings. Aren't they nice? So they have the gold, and I'm loving that blue. That's actually one of my favorite colors, and that green is really nice. Very nice. And these sweater ones are nice. So now look what I'm noticing at this Dollar Tree. So it says make your own stocking. So you have the letters, so you can write the name on the top of these stockings. That's pretty neat. And the the stockings are awesome. Okay, and there are the hats. Look, the tinsel hats to match. Then you have the headbands, and that must be what's left over of the ornaments. So these are $1 each, and they're so beautiful. Okay, so this is one. Let's see, here's the ho ho ho, and then this is the Noel. Very pretty. And if you come over here, you have the tablecloths, and here are your paper plates. Then you have some more treat bags, and along this wall over here you have all candy all the way to the end. Here we have more napkins, paper plates, and tablecloths. Wouldn't that be nice? You don't have to do any dishes on the holiday. Then we have some more plush animals over here, some more treat bags. Here's some more head wraps. You have the reindeer and the elf. Some more of these light up necklaces, and there's the ring. I love this buffalo check headband, and I'm loving the sequins one too. So here's what some of the plushies look like. So you have that elf, and then you have that bear. Let's see, and then you have this bear. Okay, so that's pretty neat. Platters are along the bottom. Some of them are along the top here. They have a lot of platters and a lot of plastic containers. And here's a boa, some necklaces, and some bracelets. So here you have some stickers that the kids can play with. And then we get into the games. Look at this, is a hopping toy. Okay, so then you have a coloring paint set. Then you have a ping pong game, tic-tac-toe. And I think this is really cute. This is a wind-up train set. Then you have the ping pong. Okay, here's the tic-tac-toe. And then right over here is Whack-A-Pack. And some matching, and then Crazy Eights. These are all card games. Then here you have some of the 3D puzzles. That's really neat. The pens, and here is the Christmas stickers, the erasers, the card games. Isn't that nice? Here's the cookie cutters, the gnome erasers, and the stampers. So some of this stuff I already showed you, and then other stuff is new. Like here you have the over the chair cover, and the only one I seen was the Santa hat. So look at this one, Sweet Christmas Wishes. So that's that one. And then you have this one. Okay, so Santa and his crew. And then yeah, so you have those two covers there are new. Then here you have the plastic containers, the double pack, more cookie cutters. Here's some doilies, and here is some baking cups. That's so adorable. I love using those crap paper bags. And look at it in the truck. I heard somebody say they were so tired of this truck. I love the truck, but yeah, I could see. And there are some more hopping toys. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to see what's left of Christmas. And as you can see, we're still stocked. So I'll keep you updated, guys. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.